Hello everybody, today we are going to talk about infinitives from Module 3, Traveler 4. Before we start our lesson, you have to know what is the meaning of infinitive. Infinitive actually means the base form of the verb, or we can say the verb without any addition, like walk, talk, start. Infinitives actually has two different kinds, which is full infinitive and the second one bare infinitive. Full infinitive, it means that you are going to use to before the verb, like to walk, to talk, to exercise, to start. But bare infinitive, you are not going to use to before the verb. You are just going to say walk, talk without to. Now you have to know where can we use full infinitive. The first one, to express purpose. Purpose, it means the aim, or why do you do this action. Like I went to the post office to post some letters. Now what is the purpose from going to the post office? Of course, it is to post some letters. Now, concentrate here. Where is the full infinitive? The full infinitive actually to post. Okay? We use it as a purpose of our action. The next one is after it be adjective. Like it was great to see you after such a long time. Where is the full infinitive? The full infinitive to see, we use it after it plus be plus the adjective, which is great. Next, after the first, second, last, best, etc. Example, Neil Armstrong was the first man to walk on the moon. Where is the full infinitive? It is actually to walk. We use it after the first man. Now also we use it after certain adjectives like afraid, surprised, free, happy, ready, sorry. Like at last, he was free to do what he wanted. Now where is the full infinitive? The full infinitive is to do. We use it after the adjective free. Next, after to and enough. Example, Ben is too tired to go jogging today. We use the full infinitive, which is to go after too tired. Here it is not warm enough to go to the sea yet. We use the full infinitive, which is to go after enough, as what I told you here. Next one, after certain verbs like afford, agree, appear, decide, forget, help, learn, manage, need, offer, plan, promise, refuse, seem, tend, want, would like, etc. We're going to choose hope here. Look at here the verb. I hope to see you again soon. So we use the full infinitive to see after the verb hope. Next, after the objects of certain verbs like advise, allow, encourage, invite, order, persuade, teach, tell, etc. I'm going to stop here in this point so that you can just understand what is the meaning of this point. I'm going to give you example. Choose teach. Teach, I, for example, I teach, teach kids to speak well. Okay, now let's just concentrate here. After the object of certain verbs, which is, for example, teach. Where is the subject? The subject is I. Where is the verb teach? Now where is the object? The object actually kids. Now I use the full infinitive, which is to speak after the object of teach. Okay, So this is the explaining for this point. Okay, let's move on. Also, we use the full infinitive actually after question words like how, what, when, where, etc. For example, I don't know what to do. This is actually not a question, this is a sentence, but we use full infinitive after the question word here. I don't know what to do. Now let's move on the other kind, which is bare infinitive. To remind you, bare infinitive, it means that you are not going to use to before the verb. Okay. Now where can we use it? The first one, after modal verbs like can, may, must, should. Example, you should start. So if you notice, you should start thinking about your future. If you notice here the verb start, it means it is actually bare infinitive. We put it as it is a bare infinitive after should. Next one, after the verb let and make in active voice. Example, my parents let me stay up later at weekends. Now this sentence actually is an active voice. It means that we know what is the subject of this sentence, or we know who does the verb of the sentence. So my parents let me stay up later at weekends. Now where is the bare infinitive here? The bare infinitive actually is stay. We use it after let, okay, in the sentence which is active sentence or active voice. It means that we know who let me stay up, which is parents. Okay, we're going to use also make here. Our teacher made us retake the test. Also, this sentence is active voice, and we know who does the action, which is our teacher. And if you notice, where is the bare infinitive? Retake, we use it or we put it after made. Okay. Next one, after would rather and had better. Like I'd rather go to the Italian restaurant tonight. We use the bare infinitive, which is go after I'd rather. And here, you'd better tell me everything you know about this. Where is the bare infinitive? The bare infinitive actually tell. We use it after had better. Okay. Infinitive and ing forms. What is the ing forms? Ing forms, it means a verb with ing, like walking, talking, exercising. Okay, now where can we use ing forms? First one, we use it as a noun. Example, exercising is a good way of keeping fit. So exercising here is used as a noun. Next, after the verb go. Example, we go shopping, we go swimming. So this is the ing form. We use it after go. Also, we use it after certain verbs like avoid, enjoy, finish, like, love, hate, imagine, keep, risk, spend, suggest, consider, etc. We're going to choose here like. So example, I like doing my homework on time. So if you notice here, I put here the ing form after the verb like. And also after certain expressions. What are the expressions? Like be interested on, cannot stand, don't mind, how about, it's no use, it's no good, it's worth, there is no point, be used to, etc. Look at the example here. It is no use. No use here is the expression. Trying to do everything yourself. Ask someone to help. So where is the ing form? It is trying. We use it after the expression no use. Last one, we use it also after prepositions like for, about, without. Example, I am so excited about going to school. Where is the ing form? It is actually going. We use it after preposition about. Okay, now let's take another slide, which is verbs followed by full infinitive and ing form with no difference in meaning. It means that we have some verbs that can be followed by full infinitive, or can be also followed by ing form, but the meaning is the same. Example of this verbs: start, begin, continue, intend, etc. Look at the example here. It started to rain. Here we choose a start, so it started to rain. If you notice, this verb followed by full infinitive, which is to rain, and here it started raining. If you notice, this verb which is started followed by ing form, which is raining, but actually the meaning is the same. There is no difference in meaning. Now let's just take the other kind, which is verbs followed by full infinitive and ing form with difference in meaning. Now we have many verbs that can be followed by either ing form or full infinitive, but actually there is difference in meaning. Example of those verbs: try, remember, forget, regret, stop. I think you know all those, you know the meaning of all those verbs, but I'm going to take regret. Regret actually means that you are sorry about doing something. Okay, we're going now to take one by one. The first one, try plus ing form. It means that you do something to see what the effect it will have. Example: if you have a sore throat, try, so this is the word here, try, drinking some hot tea. If you notice, we followed try by ing form, which is a drinking. Now, what is the meaning of try drinking? Try drinking here means that you do this thing, that you drink the hot tea. Why? Because you want to see the effect it will have in your throat, for example. Next one, if you follow try by full infinitive, what is the meaning? The meaning will be make an effort. Example: I'll try to come tonight, but I can't promise. So here we have a try. We follow it by full infinitive, which is to come. What is the meaning now? If we use to come plus, if we use try plus full infinitive, it means that you're going to make an effort or to do your best to do something. So you try to come, it means that you're going to do your best to come. Next one is remember. Remember, when it is followed by ing, it means remember something that has already happened. It means that something happened and you are going to remember it. Example: do you remember meeting Brandon last week? Here, remember followed by ing form, and it means that you remember something, which is the meeting, which is actually happened before. So, do you remember meeting Brandon last week? Next one, when you follow remember with full infinitive, it means remember something before doing it. You remember something, but you actually didn't do it, or you don't do it actually. Example: did you remember to lock the door before you left? So actually you didn't lock the door, but I ask you, did you remember to do it? Did you remember to lock the door? So that's the meaning of remember plus the full infinitive. Okay, next we have forget here. Forget, when you follow it by ing form, it means forget something that has happened. The action actually happened, but you forget it actually. Example, I'll never forget visiting the lover. Here we use forget and we follow it by using verb with ing, and it means that you forget something that has happened. So you actually or the action actually happened or has happened already, and you forget it or you not forget it. It's according to the sentence. Example, I'll never forget. So you just make it negative. You'll never forget visiting the lover, but actually you visited lover before time. Now if you follow forget by full infinitive, it means that forget something you supposed to do it. You didn't do it actually, but you supposed to do it. Example, Sarah forget to tell you that she was going away for the weekend. So she forget to tell you. It means that it doesn't happen. She doesn't tell you actually. Okay, so remember that when you follow forget with full infinitive, it means that you forget something that you're supposed to do it. Okay, next we have regret now. Regret plus ing form. It means regret something. It means that you're sorry about something that has already happened. Example, Amal regretted talking to her sister like that. So it happened actually. It happened, or it has already happened, and you are regretting about doing this thing. When you use regret and follow it with full infinitive, it means that you be sorry. It means when you just say I'm sorry, like we regret to inform you that there are no more tickets. It means that you are sorry. Last one, which is stop plus ing, it means no longer do the action. Example, stop making up excuses all the time. So if you notice here, we use a stop and we follow it by ing form, and it means that don't make no more excuses for your action. Next one, when you follow stop plus full infinitive, it means pause temporary in order to do something else. It means that you are going to stop this action for short time to do something else. Example, I was writing a letter, but I stopped to answer the phone. Actually, you were writing this letter, but you stopped this action temporary because you are going to do something else, which is answer the phone. So this is the meaning of stopped when it is followed by full infinitive. Actually, this is our lesson for today. I hope you enjoy it, and if you have any question, you can contact me on Easy Class. And thank you to all of you girls.